Hi guys, Tashi the Lake. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. So if you are new to channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. So here we are on the way to Atlantic City. Let's go. Okay, now we are arriving to our hotel. Wow, very nice. Okay, let's check it out. Wow, very nice. Yeah, good smell. So this is the suite room, very nice. We have here 2 bed. Very nice. This is the TV. Wow. Very nice view from here, from our hotel. And this hotel is very convenient to go to the beach and casino. Wow, amazing. All right. Now let me check the bathroom. Wow, wonderful, wonderful. See? Oh my goodness. Very nice. This shower. Bathroom is here. So this is the shower. Yeah, I like it. Tissue paper, hand towel, washcloths, body lotion, shampoo, conditioner. All right. Oh, this is the mirror. Wow, nice. I didn't use it anyway. Wow, this is very nice, very fancy. You see? Tadi pe nying jam show do the ngelu tinte. This pe mixe shore shandi hotel di. Dela alarm do, telephone de do, ye lamp do. Alright guys, so I'm here looking for what kind of coffee we get it. Okay, this is a Colombian decaf coffee. 1, 2, 3, enjoy. Okay, Colombian decaf coffee, and this one is French roast regular coffee, single cup. Okay, 2, and one more here, French roast regular coffee. So total we get here 3 coffee. And what else? I think this is sugar and napkin and the stick. 1, 2, 3, and here we get some creamer. 4 pieces of creamer here, and 3 cups, 3 empty cups, and lids here, which is nice, and the machines here, so we can put the water, then put the cup here and press the button. That's it. Yeah, so this is the lamp, which is very nice. I think this is the metal. We are so hungry now. First we are going to eat something, since we came from all the way New York City for 2.5 hours. Let's go to find some food now. Hi guys, welcome to the Atlantic City. So now we're on the boardwalk. That was your song. We are very hungry, so we're gonna eat something first before we go to somewhere. Now I'm having a noodle soup. This is beef noodle soup. Very good. So this is called beef chow fan. So many people call it flat noodle soup. A flat noodle, which I like the most. Wow, that's good. I just bought the ticket, so it's gonna be very fun, I think. I'll show you guys. Oh my god, this is the top now. All the way top of this steel wheel. My goodness, look at here, I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. Wow, 다 높게 보도. Wow, my goodness. So tomorrow we're going to go out here. Amazing. So helicopter for out here, you see helicopter? Wow, my goodness. Oh yo yo. Oh, 다 기부셔도 다 생긴 가서 비실 영화이. 이런 거 두세 시간 나서 말해. 근데 야가지는 간주도 대사 거기 또 인용셔요. 그리고 원래 그 미지 인용셔요. 걔도 와대. 이 강바 까부지도 와. 오, 다 뛰나가래. Haten la per milky show tondo. Haten and the show table today. That's down there's a hotel. Atlantic City, the view from the rooftop hotel. Enjoy, guys. Oh yeah, that's my beach right. So today we are going to beach. This is nice. Yeah, this is very good. I'm gonna get that. So this is the way to go. This is the main gate. So we go from here. Wow, very nice. Atlantic Beach, which is very famous in the United States. Oh, mama. 남시 야구 쇼도 다들이. 사야래 샤 다키고 쇼도 네. 다자제 동탕을 란사간 로고 삼성. 란사간 로고 삼성 다 저때 도는 차 그냥 비시죠. Cheers. Alright, so we stay here a couple nights. So today we're gonna check out. I just wanna put my towels here. It's good for the housekeeping. You know, we don't wanna give them a hard time, you know, so just leave all the towels here and we mix up. So this is the bed mat. You can leave here, no problem. So this is the bed mat. It's like that, you know. Alright. So if you throw this towel, the used towel on the floor, is gonna be very dirty, you know. So after that, they're gonna wash it and they use again. So that purpose, I'm gonna leave here. Alright. And make sure keep clean and don't put this area. So this is what I want to mention and a request to all of you guys. And not only this, and even though the pillow keep clean, and you see I threw all the garbage here. It's very easy to them to clean, nothing left. So this is my cup coffee. Yeah, it's very keep. You see, this is a new cup. We didn't touch it, so it's very convenient to them, you know. We're about check out now. So I'm gonna leave some tips here, just $25. I don't want to keep the tips right here on the table. It's not good. Don't leave on table. Always keep the tips under the pillow. So if you leave like that, is good. And when they're cleaning, who you were cleaning the room, so they're gonna find it. That's why I'm gonna leave under the pillow.